Lower Manhattan is a treasure of classic American architecture, inspired by the detail and vintage industrial styling of the beautiful bridge that connects Manhattan with Brooklyn. American Standard presents the Townsend Collection.
If you look at the bridge and the construction of the bridge, you'll see that at the base of the towers, you've got this very tapered shape that makes it extremely stable, and that's what we translated into the shape of the faucets and the legs of the vanities and the console and the toilet and the bathtub.
Elegant curvature, tapered design, and intersection detail are signatures of the Townsend Collection and will transform a room into an instant urban oasis. Of course, it's not all about beauty. Behind the porcelain, Townsend products are powered by the latest innovations. Not everyone has room for a classic freestanding bath, so there are tub options that combine craft, comfort, and flexibility for any space. This collection is more than just inspired fluid contours and classic wood joinery. Each piece is built with the same superior performance customers have always expected from American Standard. The Townsend Collection, bringing iconic design home.